Hello viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry, and we are at International Mining and Machinery Exhibition 2022, which is happening in the city of joy, that is Calcutta. Hectronic offers engineered solutions for variety of industries, whether it's cement, steel, power, infrastructure and even mining segment. And today we'll be talking to the top management of Hectronic India, as well as few of the end users of Hectronic solutions. We'll be talking about the benefits of using Hectronic smart solutions. Mining industry has been a significant contributor to the Indian economy. How excited you are about the opportunities in mining segment?
I mean, mining and metal is gaining more importance, a lot of traction due to geological potential in India. The overall contribution is expected to grow from 2% to 6% of India's GDP in the coming future. So for India, this is a moment of great opportunity, and we are equally excited to be part of this growth journey. Being a first mover helping in mining industries to cut fuel cost in their operation, Hectronic India has been always committed to bring in more value proposition to the industry, reducing the carbon footprint. The rise in the prices of the fuel, that's where digitalization is coming in handy. Every industry, including mining, is understanding it is only adopting technology that you can make operational improvements. Companies are already moving to digital initiatives, tech initiatives to improve supply chain, logistic efficiencies and minimizing the losses. Hectronic, globally present around 6 decades and in India for the last 15 years, is contributing a lot to help mining industries in automating the processes around the fuel usage.
So sir, what are the product and solutions you offer very specific to the mining segment?
So Hectronic offers great value to the mining industry by providing totally end-to-end fuel management solution to help them in eventually cutting the fuel cost or usage, with 4 principles in the core of our solution: measure and monitor 100%, reduce wastages, automate to optimize resources, and finally bringing in risk management and governance. From the fuel receipt at the mining site to the last fueling operation within the plant, Hectronic offers complete end-to-end solution on to have a gain control on the fuel usage. Our globally proven hardware and the software is built for implementation in this robust environment of the mining industry. By the way, our solution is also ready for the future e-mobility, which mining industry is looking at to implement with EV equipments inside the mine.
So when it comes to off-highway segment or the mining segment, why it is important, why fuel management is important?
Look, I mean, the fuel cost in the mining operation is almost about 40 to 50% in the daily operation of the off-highway equipments and the vehicles. This is significant impact on the P&L of the mining industry, and hence important to have effective and profitable fuel management system in place like Hectronic is doing.
So to be very specific, Mr. Kalburgi, how does fuel management benefit the end users and in turn the mining ecosystem?
Yeah, as Mr. Dhale mentioned, saving fuel cost is very important for the mining industry users and ecosystem, as there is always pressure working with competitive margins. So Hectronic fuel management solution helps the industry to improve the bottom line, keeping the fueling operations transparent and bringing strong governance. So as we provide a standard solution offering as per the customer requirement, we also provide complete turnkey fueling solutions, especially for the mining industries who are having a bulk fuel consumption for themselves.
So when it comes to Indian market, how significant is your presence and who all are your target customers?
Yeah, we are proud to bring in the concept of fuel management to India mining industries over 15 years ago, and we are leaders in the mining industry, having large installation base of over 100 plus projects, covering industry leaders like Vedanta, JSW, Tata Steel, Adani and Coal India, to name few.
Thank you, sir. So we are there at the IMME. What are the product and solutions you are presenting here? And we see a lot of visitors or your existing customers are visiting your stall. How is your experience?
Yeah, but I mean, it's always a very happy moment for us to be part of this CII IMME show in Calcutta. This provides us a great platform and opportunity to showcase our latest innovation, new solutions, and connect with our existing customers in India, also along with the prospective users. We also take this opportunity to collaborate with our partners and industry colleagues in this Calcutta show.
You are present there in Indian market for past 15 years.
Yeah.
So what are some of your long-term, short-term as well as mid-term objectives to achieve in Indian market?
As we are committed to the market, we will continue to develop solutions to the problem areas around the industry, giving them more value. In short term, we are looking at providing them a kind of cloud-based solution, which is typically called as industry like a software as a service, which is nothing like a paper use. And on the long term, we will adapt our solution and complete system by providing a hybrid model with FMS, which is fuel management, and plus e-mobility with our globally developed Hectronic cloud system.
So now at a Hectronic stall, we are joined by a couple of representatives from Adani Natural Resources, Mr. Shantanu Banerjee and Mr. Manish Gautam. Sir, we got to know that you are a kind of end user for Hectronic's fuel management solutions. Can you just tell us about that?
Your information is little predated. We are using it, but in our port division.
Right.
Natural resources haven't used so far, but yes, it's a leading brand in the market, and think of going forward with the solutions provided by Hectronics.
So as he was saying that you use your the Hectronic solutions, fuel management solutions for the port divisions. Would you like to say that how is your experience working with them or their solutions?
Whatever we have found, they are performing very well, and that's why we are here to implement this system into our natural resources also. And even Indonesia, our coal mines Indonesia is also using, and for this it will be very beneficial for future prospects of coal mining. That's what I can understand. And whatever presentation and whatever information we have gathered from other sectors also, it is wonderful, it is satisfactory.
Oh, what are the key benefits of using Hectronic solutions for the end users?
In mining activity, where we are coming from, this Hectronics kind of a solution is the need of the day, and many places it has been implemented already and giving good results. Benefit wise, it gives you a complete picture of the fuel management. You understand where your consumption is going and how much it is. If there is a mismatch, immediately the bell comes up, and then you can correct it. So I feel being a rich commodity HSD as such, it's good to have a monitoring system to judiciously use the HSD, and added benefits like pilferage in the mining sectors. Usually when it happens, they can be.
It is also that this will save the green energy. You can say that maintaining the fuel management, we are supplementing the environment with green energy solutions. How much fuel you can utilize, how much reduction in the fuel utilization we can do. That is very beneficial not only for us but also for the country.
So both of you might be agreeing with this thing that this is going to add a kind of value for your business ecosystem in the times to come, the kind of solutions what Hectronic provides.
Undoubtedly, definitely this is a need of the hour, and we should think very strongly on this and try and implement as quickly as possible. But everything takes time, and we need to do the complete due diligence and then go forward.
Sri Cement is one of the first users of Hectronic's solutions for cement industry in India. So we are joined by Mr. Mahendra Singh Chaudhary. We'll tell us about, he will share his experience about the uses of using Hectronic solution.
We were looking for the fuel management system and found the Hectronic system, and they came and installed the system in since 2010. It was the first system in the cement industry also. We are the third largest company in the India, and almost we have the user system across the cement, around 10 locations. And after this system, we optimize the many things because of the system itself having the transparency and accountability. That is very important. Earlier it was not there, and system is very good, and this is also integrated with the ERP system and running very fine.
A solutions that brings like tamper-proof, reliability, how does it benefit your business? If you can just share more.
Major, it's the accountability is very important because earlier it was not there. If someone is operator is filling in a X vehicle, he was supposed to in X vehicle, but mentioning the Y vehicle. But now today it is a accountability because it's a solution RFID based. So that's it, and I think we are saving. We increase the efficiency of the vehicles.
So thank you so much for talking to us and sharing your